Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid of Zaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Wednesday, 30th March 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karats gold without VAT, price is 232.48 and with VAT is 267.35. For the 22 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 213.42 and with VAT is 245.43. For the 21 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 203.42 and with VAT is 233.93. For the 18 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 174.36 and with VAT is 200.51. For the 14 karats gold, without VAT price for 1 gram is 136 and with VAT is 156.40. For the 10 karats gold, without VAT price for 1 gram is 96.95 and with VAT is 111.49. Last but not the least, for the 6 karats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 58.12 and with VAT is 66.84. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this video with your friends so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.